Buyers and sellers. Now more than ever, it is so important to use the right real estate professional to help you to navigate through this unpredictable housing market. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker serving buyers, sellers and investors in the SF Bay Area. All of the recent negative headlines and talk on social media have made many sellers and buyers too worried about their next move. Unfortunately, when news in the media is not easy to understand, it can make people feel scared and unsure. According to the National Association of Realtors, and I quote, the right experienced professional will combat uncertainty and fear with a combination of historical perspective, training, and facts. If you want the information you can trust regarding home prices and inventory, listen to the real estate experts in your area who specialize in residential real estate. The right professional will help debunk headlines and provide you with accurate information on what is happening in your local area and take away some of your fear of uncertainty about selling or purchasing a home. We know making a move is potentially a life-changing milestone and it should be an investment you feel ready for and excited about. Please reach out to my team and me so we can help to assist and guide you through this ever-changing market. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.